Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel. So today let's solve this one for 96 path crossing. So given a string path where the path is INESE, so N should be north, S should be south, E should be east, west, W should be west, right? Each representing moving north, south, east, west. Remember, and you start at the original 0 on 2D plane. So your starting point is 0, 0. So you are starting at 0, 0. And so everything you see, right? So this is stupid, right? Everything you see, N, you just go north, so south, go right? And so you keep going, and all the points specified are called paths. So for example, go here. Okay, return true if the path crosses itself at any point. That is if any time you are the location of previous visit, return false otherwise. Okay, so basically, then the idea is that you start from 0, 0, and then you keep going, right? So you will have a history. So you will have a list called history. Okay, and every time, right? Every time you see the history, so this is history, right? And you keep going. So at some points, if you see if you see something which is already in your history, then you return true. That means you already visited some points twice. Okay, so the idea, yeah. So let's maybe see an example. So this is this, right? So it's NES, right? And the answer is false because it doesn't cross anything. And then now it's NES, WW. So 0, you already visited 0, right? So basically, you need to have a memory to remember all the points you have already visited. Okay, so it's very easy. That's it. So this point is a point history. So let's initialize the point history to be 0, 0, and your initial is x0, y0, right? So if I in the past, then you go iterate the past. If it's east, you x should add 1. If it's north, y add 1. West, x minus 1. South, y minus 1. And for each point now, so this is a new point you visit, right? So for the point in history, if some of the points, right, and some of the points you already visited, then you return true. Otherwise, that this is a new points, then your original point history append to this point, right? So this is very easy. So basically, for each time you visited the new points, then you ask, oh, whether this point is already in my history, right? So point means point history. Yeah. So this is just the answer. Yeah. I mean, it's very trivial, right? Otherwise, return false. That means every time you didn't match this condition at all, right? So yeah, so this is I think for this type of question, you just need to understand what the problem is saying and try to translate it to the words very direct, then you can get the answer.